You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is a brand name of shoes. If you want to learn more fashion and luxury brand names from France, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. If you've been wondering the French pronunciation, how we pronounce it in France, Kleman. Kleman. Therefore, in English, you can simply say it as Kleman. Kleman. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.